Alright guys, so we got a new video here. For Black Friday, I went ahead and bought the BBQ Guru for the Pitmaker Vault. It arrived in 2 days. We're going to go ahead and do the unboxing on it. Alright, so let's get into it. So when I went ahead and ordered it, they actually had a deal where they gave me the case plus 2 barbecue sauces. So the first one's, oh hell yeah, peaches and brown sugar. The first one sauce that they gave me for free. Then they also gave me regular original sauce. This is the second one they gave me for free. And then I got the big pit bull fan. And then the 2-inch ball valve connection for the BBQ Guru to the Pitmaker Vault. More paper. And there's the big boy right here. Is the BBQ Guru that I'm able to do Wi-Fi from inside the house. Control it at pretty much 250, 275, 300, wherever you want to set it at, and it'll control it. So let's try it out today. I'm gonna go ahead and smoke a brisket, and I'm also gonna attach this to the Pitmaker Vault and do the review on it and see how it works. So stay tuned. They also gave me a traveling case. So it's not bad for, I think it was $2.90 if I'm not mistaken. So the travel case, 2 sauces, the fan, the adapter, and the BBQ Guru CYBERQ CLOUD. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you what's inside the box. So let's go ahead and open it up. In here we shall have the probe for the meat. This one goes inside for the temperature on the pit. And then we have the controller, the CYBERQ CLOUD. Connects to the Wi-Fi. It has a little bag for it. And then here it is for the power connection. And the stand to connect it. So this is everything that comes in it. We have a little recipe booklet and then the guide to it. And then let me show you the inside of this travel case. Pretty much all of this can fit in there. You want to put it away for the week or whatever. And then the meat probe and the pit probe and the controller. Bam. So you get to go. Alright, let's put it together. Let's go. Alright guys, so we went ahead and added the fan, pit bull fan attached with the 2-inch on the valve. Got it controlled over here at the CYBERQ. We got the fan, we got the for the pit inside, and then we got the for the power. It's gonna be a cold night tonight. We're supposed to be somewhere around 30 degrees, so to see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that because I'm scared that it's gonna get cold or freeze or something, so we're gonna wrap it up. And we never know, we're in the Chicagoland area, so it could snow, rain, anything at any point in time. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover that to make sure no water gets on it. And in the past 10 minutes that we have added the fan, it's gone up 50 degrees, so it's working. Let's see. Alright guys, so we went ahead and put the brisket in the smoker roughly around 11:30 last night. It's 10 in the morning. We're still at 250. The barbecue guru kept me at 250 the whole night. No problems at all. We just hit an internal temp on the brisket, 195. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. All right, welcome back, guys. So the BBQ GURU CYBERQ CLOUD, the product is great. I recommend it to anybody out there looking for a temperature control for any of their smokers out there. I hope you guys liked the video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. More videos come. Check y'all later. Bye.